you've started or are interested in starting in leathercraft, in this video I'm going to teach you what tools you need for leathercraft. Here is what I recommend. Scissors, cutting mat, 2 metal rulers, utility knife, round awl, scratch awl, edge bevel, wood slicker, a cup of water. To apply glue onto leather, I like to use a spatula. Token awl, a piece of canvas or denim, Columbus wax or beeswax, softwood, chopping board or rubber board, rubber or nylon hammer, pricking irons or stitching chisels, John James Sadler's harness needles, thread, stitching pony, clippers, flathead hammer, marble, granite slab, ceramic tile or another smooth polished stone, and a bone folder. With these tools you can make wallets, key rings, passport covers, journals and more. If you do want to make belts or watch straps, you will use majority of these tools, however you will need additional tools such as hole punches. Some reasons I recommend these tools: you don't need the most expensive tools to make beautiful items. I use majority of these tools today when I've been doing leathercraft for years. You might start leathercraft and not want to continue, and that is completely fine. So instead of spending hundreds of dollars on expensive tools, you can start with some basic tools. These tools are a good foundation and you can choose to upgrade these tools over time. Now that you have those tools, there are a range of skills that you need to learn, from how to cut leather, how to use adhesive, what adhesive to use, how to burnish, how to hand stitch, and also how to make a project. For this, I recommend you view a previous video of mine, Leathercrafting for Beginners, where I give you a very in-depth guide to leathercraft and also how to make a minimalist wallet. The pattern is also free. To learn how to hand stitch, you can see this free video that is taken from course 5, The Art of Hand Stitching Leather. If you want to learn leathercraft in much more detail, I have a range of courses on my website, firstclassleathercraft.com. I'll link these in the description. Now that you have the tools you need, make sure you learn those other skills and don't forget to enjoy your leather crafting.